Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So in the previous video, we have seen about destructor. Now we'll be seeing about what is inheritance and how can we work with inheritance. So let me create a new Python file. Inheritance. So what is inheritance? So it is a process of getting properties, that is variables and methods, from one class to another class, as we have seen in my first video. That is here I have shown you. Inheritance is a process of getting properties from one class to another class. Okay guys. So here there will be one class which will be providing the properties from one class to another class. So the first class, that is this class, which is providing the properties, that is variables and methods to this particular class, is called the superclass. The class which is providing the variables and methods, also called as properties, is called as the superclass. Whereas the class inheriting, we'll say taking or accepting the variables and methods from the superclass is called as the subclass, child class, subclass or child class or derived class. Okay guys. So the class that is taking the properties from the superclass is called as a subclass, child class or a superclass. Subclass, child class or a derived class. Okay. So the class which contains static variables and static methods, that is, or instance variables and instance methods, constructor, destructor, or so it can be anything. In inheritance, everything will come. So a class may have, so like we have here in destructor, we have a class, that is student class. In this we have a constructor, a instance method, a destructor. So everything will be inherited in the inheritance. So nothing is left behind when we are trying to inherit. So in inheritance, everything is inherited in the subclass except the private properties. Okay guys. So in Python we have 5 types of inheritance. In Python we have 5 types of inheritance, that is single inheritance, multi-inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. So basically, let me explain you in brief. So as you can see, we have 5 different types of inheritance here. That is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. I'll show you with the help of an image that I have. I'll show you what is what and like that. So here, single inheritance is class A is being inherited by class B here. So this is the single inheritance, a small example so that you can understand in a better way. Multi-level inheritance. Here what is happening is A is being inherited by B and B is again being inherited by C. So when we call the class C, it will automatically call class B and B will automatically call class A. Okay. So what is a multiple inheritance? So in class C, we are inheriting both class A and as well as class B here. Okay. Hierarchical inheritance. So here A is being inherited by class B and C, whereas again C is being inherited by class D and E. So when we call class E, it will automatically call class C and class A here. So when we call class D here, it will automatically call class C and class A here. Okay. So this is a hybrid inheritance. So in class B, it is hybrid is nothing but the combination of both a hierarchical and multiple inheritance. So here, multiple inheritance, see, when we call class B, it will automatically call class A as well as class F. So multiple inheritance, both class A and class F are being inherited in class B here. Whereas when I call class C E here, it will call class C as well as class A here. Okay, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. Thank you.